From only 2 words, you have learned around about 10 vocabulary words. So it's quite easy, quite astonishing, and quite funny and engaging way. So stay tuned with us. Do subscribe our YouTube channel along with MW, as well as do share this video with your friends and relatives, those who are interested. And indeed, I think so. Vocabulary is for enhancing yourself. When you have vocabulary, you have words in your mind, then you will speak as much as fluently. So, viewers, hope you're all well and enjoying your life. We're back with the vocabulary Vo8 series, and this is our third video which I'm gonna be uploading on my YouTube channel. Viewers, this video is quite different from the last 2 videos that we have already uploaded in this vocabulary Vo8 series. Why I'm saying that it's quite different? Because I have given it a specific name. It is root method technique, and through this method, root method technique, I promise you, you just have to memorize 1 word, and through this 1 word, you will learn around about 5 words. So in this video, we will be focusing on root method technique, and we will be discussing 2 words. So you just have to memorize 2 words, and from these 2 words, I promise you, you will learn 10 words. It's quite astonishing. Indeed, it is astonishing, and it's a quite interesting technique. So stay connected with us in this video. In the upcoming slides, we will learn these 2 words, and through these 2 words, you will learn around about 10 words. So it's quite astonishing, quite fun and engaging technique. Stay connected with us in this video. Let's go to the next slide. So viewers, as I promised you that in this video, our main focus is on the technique, which is root method technique. And in this root method technique, you just have to memorize 1 word, and from this single word, 1 word, you will learn around about 5 words. So how? Look, you will be seeing on the board, the word is andro, A-N-D-R-O, andro, and andro means male or male. So just you should have to memorize this single word, andro. Andro means male or male. So this is our root word. Now we will just add suffixes to it. Suffixes are those words which come after the main word. So we just have to add another simple wording, and from this single 1 word which you have memorized, andro means male or male, now you will learn further more words. Like for example, you will be seeing on the board the word is android. Android. Now we have learned that andro means male or male. So android means male-like. It's quite astonishing. Now from 1 single word, andro, so now andro means male and android means male-like. So from 1 root word, you have learned another word, android. Now the second one is androcentric. Androcentric. Now you will be seeing on the board androcentric. What does androcentric mean? As we mentioned, that andro means male or male. So androcentric means interest in the male. Interest in the male or interest in the male. Those person which kept their interest in male or male, we call that person androcentric. So from andro, you have learned another word, androcentric. Now the third word you will be seeing on the board is androecium. So now androecium, we have already learned, or we have memorized the word andro. Andro means male or male. So androecium means male part of the flower. Androecium means male part of the flower. Viewers, quite astonishing. And it's quite fun and engaging way. Through 1 single word, you have now learned up to 3 words. We have learned android, androcentric, and we have already learned androecium. Androecium means male part of the flower. Then we have the second. You will be seeing the 4th word is androgen. So now andro means male. So androgen means male hormone. Androgen means male hormone. So now from andro, you have learned the 4th word, andro. Andro means male or male, and androgen means male hormone. Now the 5th one and the last one is andrology. And andrology, andro means male. So andrology means the study of male gender. So the study of male gender is called andrology. So we was through 1 single 1 word, through this stem word or root word, we have which was andro. Andro means male or male. We have learned 5 more words from this single stem word or root word. We have learned android, we have learned androcentric, we have learned androecium, we have learned androgen, and we have also learned andrology. So it's quite astonishing, Up till now, from one root word, we have learned 5 words. In the upcoming slide, from another stem word or root word, we are learning another 5 words. Stay connected. As I promised you, that in this video, you just have to memorize 2 root words. You will learn 10 vocabularies. So stay connected with us in this video. We'll be discussing the next root word in the next slide. So viewers, now your task is to learn this single word. You will be seeing on the board, the single word is gyno, G-Y-N-O, gyno. Gyno means women or female. Gyno means women or female. Now you have memorized just this root word, and now from this single root word you will learn 5 new words. So we have mentioned gyno means female or women. Now you will be seeing on the board, the word is gynoid. Gynoid, and its meaning is woman-like, because gyno means women, so gynoid means woman-like. Then we have gyno. You will be seeing the second word is gynocentric. So as we mentioned in the previous slide, androcentric means those who take interest in men. So gynocentric means, as we mentioned, gyno means women, so gynocentric means those who take interest in women. So gynocentric means interest in women. Then we have the third word you'll be seeing on the board is gynoecium. Gynoecium means the female part of the flower. As androecium means male part of the flower, similarly gynoecium means female part of the flower. Now, the fourth word from this root word that you are going to learn is gynogen. Gynogen. Now, gyno means female or woman, and gynogen means female hormone. So gynogen means female hormone. So we have learned this fourth word from the root word. Now the fifth word that we are going to learn from this root word is gynecology. So gyno means female or woman. So the study of the female gender is called gynecology. So viewers, from this single root word gyno, we have already learned 5 another word. We have learned gynoid, which means woman-like. We have learned gynocentric, which means interest, those who take interest in women. In gynoecium, female part of the flower. We have learned gynogen, which is the female hormone, and we have already learned gynecology, which means the study of female gender. I hope so. You will memorize these two. You just have to memorize these 2 words, andro and gyno, as I have made my promise, and I fulfill my promise that through these 2 words you will have to learn, and you learn 10 words and 10 vocabulary. So this is root method technique. I hope so. You will enjoy it. That from only 2 words you have learned around about 10 vocabulary words. So it's quite easy, quite astonishing, and quite funny and engaging way. So stay tuned with us. Do subscribe our YouTube channel along with MW, as well as do share this video with your friends and relatives, those who are interested. And indeed, I think so. Vocabulary is for enhancing yourself. When you have vocabulary, you have words in your mind, then you will speak as much as fluently. So do share this video with your friends, do subscribe my YouTube channel, and I hope you have learned and you enjoyed this video. Bye bye for this time. See you in the next video.